Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Insignia smart TV remote, something like this, and you have an issue where maybe the power button doesn't work, or maybe another button doesn't work, or there's a combination of buttons that don't work, or maybe it seems like it has a mind of its own, where basically like you move to the right and it keeps moving to the right. Anyways, I'm going to give you guys a quick, easy solution, okay, without having to take it apart or buy a new one right away. So do this first. First thing I want you to do is go ahead and pop out the batteries. Go ahead and take out the batteries. Now what I want you to do with the batteries out, you see the power button up here. What I want you to do is I want you to press and hold. Press and hold that power button for about 30 seconds, okay? I'm still holding onto the power button here. Batteries are out. After 30 seconds is up, go ahead and let go. Now what I want you to do is press every single button multiple times, okay? Start off with the power button, okay? And then every button on here, okay? Even this thumb track here, click everywhere. Up, down, left, right. All on the buttons. And what you want to do with the buttons is you want to press kind of firmly in and out, okay? And do every single button on here. And the reason why you want to do this is because sometimes if one of the buttons is stuck, even like a little bit, it could be from like hand lotion or coffee or soda drop. Even a little bit of water spill in here can make one of the buttons kind of funny, and one button can affect the whole entire remote. Okay, so keep pressing every single button on here, every single button, and by the time the end of this video, for you guys, 50% of you guys are going to have a working remote. So keep on clicking all like that. Give it a couple of whacks on both sides. Now I want you to go ahead and put the batteries back in. Don't put the back case on yet. Now go ahead and turn your TV on, play around with the remote, and make sure that it's up and running. If it's not running, I want you to do the same thing again. Go ahead and take the batteries back out, then go back to your power button here, press and hold for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, let go, and now go and click every single button with a little bit of force. Kind of go a little bit crazy all the way down. Even down here on these apps down here, press kind of hard, give it a couple of whacks on both ends, put the batteries back in, and go ahead and fire the TV up, and hopefully you guys are up and running. If not, try this one or two more times, okay? Another thing too that you may want to try to do if it's still not working is go ahead and just change your batteries. Sometimes your batteries are low, or maybe there's an issue with the connectivity. Sometimes when you just put new batteries in, everything starts working again. Anyways, let me know if this helped you guys out. If it did, thumbs up. If it didn't, thumbs down. Good luck.